Let's hope the Autobahn golds are with us today. It is a project with Michelin and BBS. I think we've got someone who's filming us here. Oh, yes! What's up everyone? Welcome to this POV review by AutoTopNL. My name is Max and today we've got an old friend here. We've got the MTM Audi R8 with the supercharger. So we've got 802 horsepower. This car has had a little bit of a change. So of course you can see the wrap. It is now blue. It has the all new BBS forged wheels, which are super lightweight, and they even have these holes in them, which is super cool, just to save weight. They are called FIR, and this is the matte black version. I believe it is 20-inch, and it has some Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires on it as well. We've got some carbon fiber. It is a project with Michelin and BBS, so hence the wheels. This is an 8,800 euro set of wheels and tires. It is very expensive, but it is worth it because it looks incredible. Beautiful wheels. They are so special. Ceramic brakes. So today, why are we driving it? Well, because it has a new color, because it has new wheels, because MTM has this project with Michelin and BBS, and because it's a supercharged R8, obviously. Okay, there is the V10 with the supercharger. I'm just going to hurry a bit because it is 2:45, and that means that it is getting busier and busier at the Autobahn, where we are. So the next reason why we're driving it is because we didn't have the GPS measurements box when we last drove it. So we are going to connect the Draggy, and we are going to do some 100 to 200 measurements to see how fast this car is. All right. I hope that's okay with you guys that we're driving it again, but hey, we have uploaded over 3,000 videos on YouTube, and the Autobahn POV of this car is the most viewed video ever. It's at like 7.5 million or something like that. So why not, right? It's a supercharged R8. All right, we are in dynamic mode. We're going for sport. And we have to warm it up a little bit, especially the gearbox. My audience, she really liked it as well. Alrighty. Let's hope the Autobahn golds are with us today and we can do something properly. We know that this car is ridiculously quick. It should do 2.95 to 100, but I'm not going to test that here, but you can check out that video if you want. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to receive updates when we upload a new video. Oh, yes! Holy moly, it is fast. Okay, reset this. There's a little gap coming behind me, so I'm just going to wait for a bit. Alright, so go behind him. He's going, okay. We're going for sport. Yeah, here we go. Oh, that's aggressive. So little warm-up run, not too straining, 5.94 seconds, which is very quick. Oh. So of course you guys have all seen that we have driven the Klassen R8 bi-turbo, and this is sort of a different approach to tuning an R8. Of course you can hear the tea kettle going off behind me. 5.5, a little bit quicker. Everything is starting to heat up. Well, of course, I was telling you guys something. So this is a different approach to tuning an R8. It's, you know, maybe a little bit more accessible, less expensive, less explosive, less intimidating maybe as well. And you do have that nice supercharger whine, which I absolutely love. And you do keep more of that naturally aspirated feeling. Oh, that gearbox is lightning quick as well. Ooh. Oh, there we go again. 5.58, faster again. Oh man, I love this car. I absolutely love it. I love that supercharger whine. It just adds a whole new dimension to the drama of this car. Oh, and it's quick, man. 5.5 seconds. 5.5 seconds, 100 to 200. That is fast. Okay, let's see if we can get some space. No, I thought I saw a gap, but they were tricking me. They were like, oh Max, here's a gap. No, it's not. Close the door. It also has KW suspension, so it's a bit stiffer than stock. Oh, thank you, carbon ceramic brakes. Something. Woo. Man, it's quick. We'll turn around here. Oh my god. Woo. One of the best cars to do a tunnel in already. So okay, we will reset. No, we'll keep the results. We are going to engage performance mode because, well, why not? We want performance, so we will engage performance mode. And I will go. There's a big gap behind me. I don't know if you guys can see that in the mirror, but I'm going to wait here. And then we'll do a run from a little bit lower, maybe like 60. All right, here we go. That was a 5.36 run up to 300, I don't know, 304 or 5. My god, this thing is quick. Oh, it's so nice and it runs so well. it does get your juices flowing, I tell you. It is exciting. It is so flat, and that KW suspension means that it's a little bit lower, you know, a little bit stiffer, a little bit more edgy. It's a lot of fun. I think we've got someone who's filming us here. Gotta give the people what they want. That's how you become president. I mean, a good YouTube channel. 5.18. 5.18. That is again a big difference. Is it valid? Oh, I don't think it's valid. I think the downhill was too big. No, it's invalid. I think my 5.5 is the fastest one that's verified. I think this supercharger setup is more suitable if you also want to drive it on the track, because, you know, it's a lot more linear. So I think this is, you know, it's more predictable. I think this would be a lot better for track driving than the twin turbo setup. But the twin turbo setup does give you, you know, fizzy feelings in the pants, because it's just so explosive and so aggressive. So yeah, I'm not sure what I would choose, but if you are sure, let me know. Not verified, not valid. Yeah, like I said, it's very difficult. I'm just going to gun it and let you guys enjoy some more of this R8 V10 supercharged goodness. There we go, 300. Love it. I think it really can do better, and we are going to a place right now to measure the 0 to 100 km/h time, and we'll also do the 0 to 200 if we can. If we can do that, we will. And so you have to watch the acceleration video we are going to make with this car to see how it performs. If you want one of these draggies, it's up there with this app. You can buy it in our store. Click up here. It's 149 euros, including free worldwide shipping. It's amazing, works really well. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can click this big button. And you can also check out this POV review or this POV reviews playlist if you want to see more. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope to see you at the next video. Bye guys.